So we should get water out of the lake?
Yeah.
All right.
Walk in the park.
What happened?
There's nothing like the start of a new adventure. The anticipation, excitement as you fill up the waters, check the map, throw on the backpacks, and make sure everybody's good to go.
Shall we?
We'll do it.
All for one.
One for all.
There's nothing like getting to the trailhead, taking those first dusty steps, and settling in to views like this. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to El Dorado National Forest. I'm here with Dave, my brother Jordan, and we are going on a 2-night backpacking trip in Desolation Wilderness, setting up camp at the beautiful Lawrence Lake. And it's about a 5-mile pack-in on the Barrett Lake Jeep Trail. And I hope you come along for the weekend. There's nothing like an adventure where I don't know what I'll see, what I'll find, or what I'll learn about myself and others along the way. But for me, that's why I go. All right, we're about to see why this is called the Jeep Trail here. We hear the subwoofer in the distance. My brother Jordan is 10 years older than me. He's always been a role model. But with the age gap, there's always been distance between us. Many of my childhood memories with Jordan are after he moved out of the house, when he was in college at UC Berkeley. And that is when Dave came along.
So Dave, can you tell the folks how you know Jordan?
I met Jordan when I was 18 in the dorms at UC Berkeley. He was my roommate.
This is the 20th
20th
anniversary
of our friendship.
of this beautiful friendship.
Probably was like this week.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the
off.
El Dorado forest, so yeah, we give it that.
20 years strong.
Struggling. Dave was a college athlete, like I dreamed of being. When I visited Jordan and Dave, I would get a glimpse of what my future might look like. I got to move through life looking up to them, which was great, but deep down, what I always wanted was to move through life alongside them. We are a little over halfway to Lawrence Lake. We've been rolling for 2 hours. We're at 7,300 feet of altitude. It's a lot more dry than last time I was here, which was at the beginning of June. But it is a beautiful day in the woods. The older we get, time compresses. Today, a 10-year age gap feels like nothing. And on adventures like this, it really hits me. I'm no longer just looking up the mountain to Jordan and Dave. I'm walking the trail with them too. How you feeling, Dave?
Pretty sore already.
We walk in the park for you.
Well, I don't train with a backpack like that. So here's to walking the trail with Dave and my brother. Checking in. We are 6.25 miles into our hike, just passing a small lake called Lake Barrett on our way to Lake Lawrence, which is where we're gonna camp, and that's about a half mile from here. So almost at our destination. Last little push.
Yeah, that's probably keep walking around.
So we should get water out of the lake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Dude, this lake is awesome.
Yeah, this lake is cool.
It's also like super soft on the bottom.
Yeah, I know.
Come on. Ah!
What happened?
Lost some sauce.
I lost some sauce. That's such poor form, Dave. All right, Jordan, what's on the menu tonight?
We have poor man's cacio e pepe, and his white cheddar mac and cheese and pepper. I don't really see why they bothered with the tines of the fork part of this spork. It's like 90% spoon, 10% fork.
Even during the pitch process of like, I feel like as an athlete, you know, whether it's soccer, ultra running, high jumping, whatever, it's just like you're learning to fail so much, you know?
Yeah.
And it's just like that's what my life is. It's fail, 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 fail. And then occasionally you hit, and I'll make that hit feel like it was like the biggest thing in the world.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I connect with that. I think I've never done so well with the like fail part. Like I get really down. I take it very personal.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think like my downs are pretty down, but then the ups, the highs are much more pronounced because of that.
Yeah.
what's it called? Park Slope? Brooklyn?
There he is.
Morning.
Oh, man.
How'd you sleep?
Great.
Welcome to day 2 of the Desolation Wilderness backpacking trip. We had a lovely morning, tasty breakfast, some great conversation about veganism, and exciting news, we got Mr. Dave Glasgow in the back to commit to going vegan 1 day a week. So, for a month, yeah, that's a good start. And now we are on a day hike. We're gonna check out a lake called Lake Number 5, which I'd say got the short end of the stick when it comes to naming rights out here. And we're gonna set up, do some swimming there, and chill. This lake is unbelievable. However, you might be able to hear that. Starting to be some dark clouds and thunder. So we're gonna start to head back to camp. Hopefully stay within trees in case there's a downpour. Really? Hold on, let me.
It's like a perfect pea size.
Wow. Onward, Dave.
Onward.
Okay, so we just made it back to camp at Lake Lawrence, and some of our stuff got hit by that rainstorm, including the hammock. But we got some blue skies on the horizon, so hopefully the sun will come out to dry some of that stuff up before I go to bed. It is 8:03 and we have some beautiful fiery sky sunset action. Unbelievable. What a way to cap off our last night here.
thoughts on the trip, Dave?
It's been good. It's what I needed. Get away from all the madness. Nice.
Mm-hmm.